Hi everyone, how are you? I want to thank everyone for uploading their scholastic work. And in this case, I want to thank Vicky for uploading her story, The Earth. We're going to work with this story today, okay? Let's start.
Earth by
Kristen.
Taylor Butler. Children's Press at Division of
Normally, when we read, this is really important information. But what is actually meant for you to read is the story, okay? Mexico City.
Delhi, Salisbury, Connecticut. Contents.
Okay, this is actually also for you to work on while you read, okay?
As you read, they will be in both continent.
Something important you need to know is that when words come in parentheses, they are meant to give you the way you should pronounce the word. So here we have continent, core, earth, island, lava. Can't see that other one because of my camera. Hold on. Mantle and solar system. Okay, so the words that are below in parentheses, they say continent. Okay, continent. It's how you're supposed to say the word. Core. In earth, below we have earth. You see? Earth. Then in island, we have island. Island. Okay, so island, you should pronounce it island. Lava, lava. Mantle. Solar system. Okay, so this should work for you to pronounce literally. Okay, we're going to
Earth,
island,
island,
lava,
lava,
mantle,
and solar system.
solar system.
You can't eat the crust of a
Piece
of bread,
piece
but
of
can
bread.
you eat the crust of the earth? No.
No. Earth's crust
made of dirt and rock.
Dirt and rock.
But the earth crust is covered with matter. But Earth is only planet
Earth is
in solar system.
There is something that happens with you guys. I don't know why, but you eat the words. Here we have Earth is the only planet in the solar system with human life. And Vicky in this case said, let's see.
Covered with matter. Earth is only planet in solar system.
You see, there Vicky said, Earth is only planet. So, it's very important then that when you read word by word. Okay, so you don't eat the words, okay? Because all of you guys do it, but we have to read word by word very carefully, okay?
with human life.
Human life.
Life on Earth lies
Earth's.
the crust. The crust is one of Earth's layers.
Earth's layers. Very
It
good, Vicky.
is the outside layer.
Outside
The
layer.
layer is under the crust. The core is in the center of Earth.
Of Earth.
Think of the crust of the Earth like the eggshell of an egg. Large parts of Earth's crust rise above the water.
Very good.
These parts are
Called.
continents.
They are called
Continents.
continents.
Smaller
Smaller
rise
parts.
above water too. These parts are
Called islands.
People live on continents
Live.
and islands.
People live.
Earth has 7 continents and many islands. These continents is North America.
The Earth
Crust is broken into many
pieces. Very good correction.
Plates. These are not like dinner plates. These planets are made of rock.
These plates.
The red lines show the shapes of Earth's plates. Earth's mantle is under the crust. It is made of.
You guys, it's very important that we respect punctuation signs. So when we have a period, it's because the sentence finished. In this case, it would read, Earth's mantle is under the crust. That's one sentence, okay? So we finish it, it's under the crust. It is made of mantled rock called magma. Okay, that's another sentence. Every sentence that we have a period, it means that it's ending and it's going to start a new one. And when we read, that also means something. Okay? Let's go on.
Melted rock
Called.
Earth plates
Float on the magma.
Magma that comes out of the earth is called lava.
Very good. Sometimes
this creates
earthquakes.
Sometimes the crust
pushes up. Very good.
This creates mountains. Sometimes magma rises. This creates a volcano.
This creates a
Lava
volcano.
shoots out of this volcano. We eat things that live on Earth.
That live.
We eat things that grow. Eat
In Earth's crust.
But we don't
We don't.
Was taste
It would.
tears
It
on
would taste like dirt
corn
and rock.
is on food that grows on earth's crust.
Very good.
My name is Victoria Hernandez.
Victoria Hernandez, very good. Thanks for helping us with your work. Bye, guys.